So, Brandon, this looks like a fresh bottle of a Penelope cigar blend.
This is Penelope, aka Penelope. So, yeah, this is their Cigar Sessions, Chapter 1. And as everybody knows, Penelope was purchased by MGP, aka Ross and Squibb. So technically, Penelope is no longer considered a non-distilling producer.
Oh.
So this right here is a blend that was crafted by master cigar and whiskey blenders. And it's a blend of straight bourbon, 100% American single malt, and American light whiskey. Non-chill filtered, and it's coming in at 101 proof.
An easy sipper then.
Yeah. And according to the label, this should pair very well with your favorite cigar. One thing I am noticing in the pour is it is a little light in color.
Very light on the nose.
Yeah. I'm not seeing any kind of an age statement in here. But like I said, this says Chapter 1, which leads me to believe this may be an ongoing series. So, as I said, it's a little light in color.
I'm not really even picking up much of a cigar note on the nose.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you get that little tobacco smell with your cigar blends.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not really picking that up. I am getting a little bit of ethanol on it, but it's not overwhelming.
It's got some viscosity. The legs roll really quickly down.
It's got some nice legs, though.
Mm-hmm. And I'm just trying to get some air in it because it is a fresh crack. Okay.
I'm just not really getting a whole lot of cigar note on it. I was expecting it to be really tobacco forward.
I am getting earthiness.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting some light brown sugar sweetness, almost not quite maple syrup, but light brown sugar.
I'm getting slight fruit note, but like a pear.
It'd be light like a pear or something of that nature. Some baking spice, like a little allspice and maybe a little clove.
I could kind of see possibly a little, just a hint of clove.
Yeah. But not like a bold cinnamon or anything.
Mm-hmm. But to me, it's...
Now, there is a sharp, bright note in there, almost like citrus zest, almost.
I'm not getting a citrus, but I am getting like a pear.
Yeah.
Like if you had a baked pear.
All right. Well, let's not too much on the nose. Let's see how the palate shapes up.
That's sweet. On the tip of the tongue, that's the sugar notes kick off. And I'm getting a bright pear at the tip of my tongue.
Yeah, but I'm also getting almost a sour note.
The center of the tongue is getting like that cinnamon vibe.
Yeah.
But there's something else that's coating on the sides of the palate where normally salty kicks up.
Right.
But it's not really salty.
Mm-mm.
But because that's firing up, it's kind of got that caramel, so maybe a salty caramel?
Probably salted caramel, but I don't know what it is. There's a slight, I mean, not like a Sour Patch Kid type deal, but there is a slightly sour, bitter note on it. But yeah, you definitely get ethanol tickling the nose.
Kind of throwing me here because normally you get kind of like the caramel apple, but instead I'm getting a caramel pear.
All right, that earthiness that I was getting on the nose before, now it's starting to translate to the palate. I don't know if it's quite what I would call tobacco.
The finish has slight tobacco.
Yeah, the finish does, but it's just it's barely there.
But I'm kind of getting where, like, if you baked a pear, put a tad of cinnamon on it, and then you made a caramel sauce, like a salted
caramel,
and then you drizzled that and you finished baking it off, something like that.
But I'm still getting that slight tinge of almost a sour note. I don't know what that is. I don't hate it.
I'm not getting sour at all. Try some water and go back to it.
Yeah, let me reset and try again.
It took 3 sips, but now I'm getting the tobacco note. Now that tobacco note's really coming through. And it's not as sweet now. It's not as fruity as it first was. I know what I want to pair this with.
Now on the nose, I'm starting to get that slight bitter with a little bit of sour again.
Now I know what I want to go with this. Like the stone-fired pizza, because it's all the vegetables get flame crisp.
Well, because it's such a high temperature.
Because I want the bell pepper, I want the onion. Give me some olives.
So
give me a little bit of everything on it.
You're talking like at Pyros and stuff, that wood-fired pizza oven.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm still getting now that sour. It's there, but it's gone quickly. But it still has that little bit. I'm still getting the same notes. I really feel almost like something's lacking on this.
See, I get a hint of tobacco, but I get more fire on that. More like a campfire.
Yeah, like campfire smoke or cigar ash or something like that, maybe.
And to me, a Firestone or stone fire pizza.
Or a wood-fired pizza.
Whatever. Would pair beautifully with that.
I don't know how I feel about this.
You're expecting a lot stronger tobacco now?
Well, I mean, Joseph Magnus Cigar Blend, absolutely love
I knew you were going to go there.
I know, but that one's a fantastic bottle. And this one is like it's totally different from that.
I know, for me, Penelope Valencia all day long.
Well, depending on which batch.
But still, they're all good. Just some are better.
Yeah.
But when we start venturing out some of these others, the thought was just here with Penelope and I lost it. There was another, the peach.
Oh, yeah. The old fashioned.
Yeah, that fell short for me.
It did.
And this one, I mean, it's good, but does it come out with that really robust cigar flavors like you normally get out of the cigar blend? Not so much.
Yeah.
But I enjoy the pour, and I think there are plenty of things you can pair that with and really enjoy it. Because I'm even thinking I could do one of these Oliva. Yeah. I could do one of these with it because of...
It does have a slight vanilla note to it.
I want a scent.
There you go.
Yes.
Let me see.
I would do that with one of these. I would pair it.
All right. That slight on there, that slight little bitter sharp from that tobacco.
Yeah, it's in this.
I'm getting that. That's what that is. Okay, so that maybe that is that tobacco note.
Mm-hmm. I mean, an Oliva is
Mhm.
not one of those that you would probably go to. It's perfect for me because it's a light smoker.
I'm the one that introduced you to them.
Okay.
I
Well,
do smoke those.
okay. Well, just not this tiny little size
Mm-mm.
cutie.
I have the full size, but
I don't even know what all the notes are that are in this one, other than when I smoke it, I usually get slight vanilla,
mm-hmm.
and these are a little bit more robust,
They are.
and they really hold up well with bourbon. Where if I have a sweeter bourbon, I'll go with one of these other flavors, which I need to try that one still.
All right, now going back to the nose. Yeah, that vanilla, salted caramel, it's there. The tobacco, that little bit of funk like we got on the cigar, that is there. I mean, it obviously, if I had the choice between this and the Joseph Magnus, I tend to gravitate more towards that. Is there anything wrong with this? No, it's fine. It's good whiskey.
Yeah, but the Magnus, price point wise,
is significantly more than this.
So if you want a lower cost cigar blend,
this could be,
this would be a way to go.
This would be a decent alternative for lower cost purposes from the Joseph Magnus. Are you going to get a similar experience? No.
No, I'm just saying that this could be one of those that could bring someone into it, especially palates that.
Well, if you're just getting started in cigar blends, it wouldn't be it wouldn't be the worst choice.
No.
Now, don't overpay for this. I will say this: whatever MSRP is on this, I would be fine with. But I definitely wouldn't pay a significant markup for another one. I mean, as far as entry-level cigar blend, I think this is fine. I mean, just my personal palate, I like the boldness, the richness of the Joseph Magnus. I think it has more complexity to it, and it would stand up to almost the full range of cigars that are popular on the market today. Whereas this one, I don't know. Some of them may get lost in it, or the cigar may just blow this one out of the way, and you really wouldn't enjoy it. But like I said, that all depends on a person's taste and palate preference.
Fire roasted pizza, it'll be good all day long.
Wood-fired pizza, you heard it here. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for this roller coaster ride involving the Penelope Cigar Series in Chapter 1.
Just remember, we only have this one life to live.
Mm-hmm. So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Till next time, my friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.